Hi there, I'm William Bullock, your stress management mentor. In this short session, we're going to just cover a simple relaxation exercise you can do each morning to help get your day started. By spending 3 or 4 or 5 minutes relaxing like this every day, you'll find that it makes an enormous difference to how you move through your day. So I'd like you to just get yourself comfortable. If you can, close your eyes. Just make sure it's safe to do so. Get nice and comfortable. Settle in. And the first thing I'd like you to do is just take a really nice big deep breath. Fill your lungs right up. Hold it for a moment at the top. And really relax as you let go. That's good. When you're ready, take a second deep breath. Hold it for a moment, and this time as you breathe out, just say to yourself in your mind, I am calm and relaxed at all times. And then a third deep breath. And as you breathe out, just say to yourself, I am calm and relaxed at all times. And then just continue to breathe slowly and gently. And as always, I'd like you to just start relaxing your feet. From the very tips of your toes to your ankles, just let both your feet become really relaxed. And as your feet start to relax, let that feeling move up into your calf muscles, up through your knees and into your thighs. Let the stronger muscles of your thighs really relax. And let that relaxation move up into your hips, up into your abdomen, your stomach, and right up into your chest. So that now, with every breath that you take, you can feel your chest relaxing more and more. Every breath you take, every sound you hear, just helping to settle down deeper and deeper. Every word I say automatically helping to sink down to a very deep, very pleasant state of relaxation. And let the relaxation move down into the muscles in your back. And just let all the muscles in your back relax. The muscles up and down your spine. Around the base of your back, around your shoulder blades. Just let the chair take the full weight of your body and let yourself sink right down into the chair. Now you can do this as soon as you wake up in the morning and just sit on the edge of the bed or whatever. And let that relaxation keep moving up into your shoulders. And just let any tension in your shoulders go. Let it drain out through your arms, your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, hands, thumbs and fingers. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the tips of your fingers. And let that relaxation move up into your neck, up into the muscles in your face. Let your jaw muscles relax so your teeth don't quite touch. Your cheeks. Let all the little muscles around your eyes go loose and limp, and your temples and your forehead and your scalp. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. And just take another nice big deep breath and let go. Now I'd like you to spend a few moments thinking about 2 or 3 things that you would like to achieve today, things you've got to do or where you need to go or what you need to do. And I'd like you to just imagine yourself being able to do those things very efficiently, very calmly, very easily. Even things that in the past may have made you feel a little tense or uptight, imagine yourself being able to handle it exactly the way you'd like to be able to do it, in a very calm, relaxed, confident way. So just spend a moment or two quickly looking at 2 or 3 things that you would like to do very well today. And imagine yourself doing them really well. Now, if you feel yourself getting at all tense or uptight while you do that, just make fists with both your hands. Clench your hands up really tightly. Clench them up. Feel what it feels like when you get tense or uptight, and then just take another nice big deep breath and just let your hands relax. Just let it go, just like that. If that's the way you want to be able to do it, that's the way you're going to be able to do it. So imagine yourself getting through your whole day in a very calm way. Imagine you becoming more calm and more relaxed every single day. There's another video which I've done which is similar to this, and the idea is to help you to finish your day and to sleep well, so that tomorrow when you get up and practice this exercise again, you'll be even better at it. You'll have had a really good night's sleep and you'll be able to wake up and you'll be able to get better and better every day. So I'm going to count from 1 up to 5. At the count of 5, you can open your eyes, wide awake, feeling really good. All of these ideas and suggestions make a deep, vivid, permanent impression in your subconscious mind, and you can recall them and act on them anytime you need to do so. On the count of 5, you can open your eyes, wide awake, feeling really good, looking forward to the wonderful changes taking place in your life from now on. Looking forward to sailing through today more calmly, more relaxed than you ever thought you could. 1, starting to come up now. 2, 3, coming up now. 4, 5, open your eyes, wide awake. Take another nice big deep breath. And just say to yourself, I'm calm and relaxed at all times. If you found this useful, please share the information with your family and friends, subscribe and like, so that I can share this information with more people. I really appreciate it when you do that. If you've got any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. I look at every single comment and I'll get back to you. Have a great day. See you in the next one.